Welcome back, guys. Steve, Al Metal Dryer Vent, almetaldryervent.com. Check out my Periscope. It is great. Takes the place of the flex binder dryer. So, and I just got back from a fishing trip. Boy, we killed them. No, I'm sorry, we didn't do that. We caught fish. So, this one, nice house. Dryer is upstairs, coming down through the floor between the first and second floor off the back. So, let's go clean the dryer vent, guys. So, as we can see, I mean, it's upstairs, it's going down through the floor. Not a bad setup, new dryer. Let's time dry, air only. And then walking around the house, guys, and remember I have the dryer running. So, you know, you have your bath fans there, but if you look, see how the flapper's closed? This one. But if you look up at this one, so you see, well, feet per minute. So around 650 or so cubic feet per minute. If we switch that over, let's see, miles per hour. So we're around 8. We can beat that. Yeah, there it comes, guys. I can already feel the airflow difference. There it comes. Good, man. All right. Back inside now. So I'm going to disconnect over here or possibly here, possibly at the dryer. Put the leaf blower in, put some high powered air through it. Electric leaf blower, not gas. You don't want gas fumes in your home. Then turn it on. Look at this, guys. Hopefully this will do it justice. See how tall it is? Come on, guys. Clean these dryer vents. You guys can probably hear it already. All right, guys, back outside. Let's go check some airflow real quick. Can y'all hear that? Well, 22. Let's see. Feet per minute, say. Guys, and I know the GoPro doesn't do justice to how much lint's out here, man. There was a bunch in there, and I have no clue how long it's been. I'll find out though. All right, guys, that's going to wrap this one up. All right, Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. What do we go from 600s to 1400s on the CFM? From, I can't remember the miles per hour because I don't want you guys to call me out. But Steve, Al Metal Driving, almetaldriving.com. Check out my Periscope, guys. Please hit that like button. Please consider subscribing, share, put it on your Christmas list. We'll see you guys next week. Cheers.